We are discussing net zero on campuses, and obviously, if you know anything about universities, especially as an academic from inside, there are lots of hierarchies. There is administration structures, there is academic faculty, students, staff, and then there is administration. And if anything such as net zero has to happen on campus, it will need commitments, especially from the administration, because they always worry about budgets. And any new thing like net zero is going to bring issues of finance, and then commitment will be needed from top to bottom. Engagement will be needed, as we said in the last podcast, not only from faculty and staff, but also students and interest in students. So courses, projects, new teams, etc., have to be built. And there are many key questions that have to be asked. Is there going to be an office that's going to track net zero? How will carbon and greenhouse gas inventories be done? Will you develop in-house inventories? Will you try to be consistent with standards outside, because each country is now committing to Paris Agreement, well, most of them, and they all have standard ways of tracking emissions at national level, local level, and then you're coming down to campus level. Will faculty have opportunities to participate? Will different departments have different levels of net zero commitments from inside to the outside? Energy use will be different for some laboratories, number of students. Typically, you have physics, chemistry, math, biology, etc., getting very high number of students. Computer science may be high. So you have different amounts of energy use, water use, waste generation, computer use, etc. All those have to be accounted for in not just energy inventory, water inventory, etc. for sustainability, but also for net zero, you will need greenhouse gas inventories. And you will need to have some connection to what's coming into the campus, what's going out. So you have things like scope 1, 2, and scope 3 emissions. Universities don't produce a lot of goods to send out, but they receive a lot of goods. So who will worry about scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions? We have discussed these elsewhere. So how will you make sure that what's coming in is also part of your inventory, greenhouse gas inventory, and so on? Okay, it's fun, but lots of work.